I'll put the pot on the fire. So you make some noodles. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. See ya.
Bye.
Smell you right now. Okay.
No.
No, I already did it. Hey guys, so we're out here in the beautiful Custer State Park in South Dakota, and just got a fire started, and we're gonna cook some breakfast. Brought some hamburger, bacon, and some eggs. Is that good, Nathan? Nathan, do we need utensils for camping?
Utensils.
Like a spatula or chopsticks or tongs? Or do we just need some dirty wood?
Dirty wood.
Just dirty wood?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Oh, dirty wood.
Dirty wood.
Yep, we're using dirty wood to clean the dirty grates. And cook some steak and cut into it. Oh, well done. How is it? Oh, that's good. More? We'll see you next time. Smell you right now. Are you gonna eat that fish?
No.
We cooked it. Don't you like it?
Eat it.
I can eat it?
Yeah.
Hmm.
We're
Guess. Oh, that's hot.
Hi guys.
So my main skillet seems a lot smoother after that last use. This one's still a little rough. This one's definitely rough.